Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What if I tell you that you can make money just by uploading Google Images? And that is exactly what you need to do. Just go on Google Images, find the image that you like, download it and upload on the website that I'm going to show you, and you can make up to 15 cents per person who viewed that image. And it's one of the easiest ways of making money online. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump to my computer and we are going to start. First thing you need to do, you need to go on Google Images, and here in search bar I will type GCD, which stands for German Shepherd Dog. And you can search not just German Shepherd dogs, you can search for any dog breed you want. You can search for Golden Retrievers, Pugs, Beagles, or any other dog breed you want. And not just dogs, but you can search anything you want. You can search for foods, architecture, landscape, animals, or whatever you want. Now you cannot just download these images because most of these images are copyright protected, so you cannot just come here, download the image and upload it on some other website. But what you can do is you can click here on Tools and then click here on Usage Rights and then click on Creative Commons License. And now you can download these images and you can do with them whatever you want. And you should download at least 20 or 30 of these images. But even safer way to find these images is to actually use one of those royalty-free stock image websites. You can use Pexels, you can use Pixist, you can use any other website you want. But I personally use Pixabay. And when you come on Pixabay and when you click here, you can choose do you wish photos, vector graphics, illustrations or videos. And here in search bar, you should type your keyword. Let's say dogs. And then click search. And here you can see all the available dog photos. And when you scroll down on the bottom, you will see that there is 314 pages of royalty-free dog images. And here you can choose the page, let's say 49, and then click enter. And now I'm on 49th page, and as you can see all the dog images. And to download one of these images, just click on it, let's say on this one. Now this is very important. As you can see here, free for commercial use, which means we can use this image any way we want. And as you can see here also, no attribution required, which means no need to give any attributions, or no need to say who actually took this photo, where we download this photo, no need to say this. And to download this photo, just click here on download. Now you can choose the size of this photo. I will stick with this 1920 with 1281 and click on download. And that's it. But before I show you this website, I first wish to show you their rating. When you come on Trustpilot, you will see that 68 people reviewed this website, and on average they got 4.7 stars, which is actually a really good rating. The website I'm talking about today is called ClickASnap. Make money when your photos are viewed. ClickSnap is the only platform in the world where you get paid when your photos are viewed. Plus, it's free to sign up. As you can see here, 15 cents paid per photo view. Minimum payout is $15, more than 15,000 members, millions of views every month. And here you can see, upload your photo, user view your photo, get paid. You must reach at least $15 before you ask for your withdrawal, and payments are made through PayPal. And when you scroll here, a unique way to make money from your photos. And you can use one of these websites, Viewbug, 500 pixels Flickr, but ClickASnap is the only one that will pay you to host your images on this website. And also they have unlimited storage, unlike these other websites. And when you scroll here, trusted by thousands, get paid quickly. When you ask for payment, you will receive that payment within 24 hours. Free to use, high payouts, dedicated support, pro accounts available. And when you scroll here, you will see that you can even sell your own photos. And to sign up, simply click here on sign up. Add your email address, your username, your password, confirm your password, click here I agree with the terms and conditions, and click on create account. And after you log in, this is how your homepage will look like. As you can see, it looks lots like Instagram. And when you scroll here, and when you click here, you can set up your profile. Here you can see your uploads, you can see your products, you can see your settings, your feed. Here you can see your albums, here you can see your purchases, and here you can log out. And when you click here on explore, you can see most popular categories. Here you can see most recent, here you can see nature, landscape, travel, animals, buildings, people and places, streets, art, micro, still alive, all categories. And you know that I'm in dog niche, so I'm uploading images here in animals, and I also do research here to find some good images. As you can see, there is lots of dog images here. And it is actually best if you can make your own images and to upload them here on ClickASnap. And to upload your images, just click here on upload. You can drag the image here, or you can click here on select photo. Select the photo that you wish to upload, and here you can add the title of your photo, let's say pug. And here you can add description. And here you can add tags. Let's say, and then click enter. And let's add another tag, let's say pug. And then again, enter. And let's say dog. And again, enter. And here you can choose the category, is the animals and pets. And here you can choose the album. And click here on confirm, and you uploaded your photo. And when you go back on explore and let's say animals, you will see that some photos are actually repeating, and that is because these people are using stock free images and they are uploading them on ClickASnap, and that is how they are making money. And also you should consider driving traffic, driving views to these photos from your Facebook pages, from your Instagram pages, from your Twitter pages. In that way you will maximize your earnings. And you can make up to 15 cents per view, and the more image you upload, the more views you will get, and the more views you get, the more money you will make. And like I said, this is an easy way to make money online. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.